What's up, Derek? Oh,
Okay, yeah. Okay, what's up? So today we're going to be doing 15-second SciComm, specifically looking at the oceans. If you don't know, right now in Mammalz, it's OceanCommotion week. The way 15-second SciComm works is you suggest any topic, literally any topic at all, and I have to explain it in underneath 15 seconds. So basically when I make these videos, I actually try to show you, there we go, I like to show you my phone screen. So this way, you can actually see me going into camera or whatever, and like, you know, oh, I'm making a video. Woo. Yeah, basically, if you have any suggestion, you can just leave it in the chat, and yeah, I'm going to explain it. We're going to start with what is the ocean, because that's a term that I really don't know myself. I'm not just going to make it up. I'm actually going to look this up. I'm just going out of the great Google. The dictionary says a very large expanse of sea. That doesn't really explain it. Do any of y'all know exactly what an ocean is? Like, exactly, you know, because I'm a little bit confused. I mean, I'm usually confused about everything in life, but now I'm even more so confused. Okay, so we're going to go into reels. What is the ocean? Oh, gosh. Look at this, guys, my hair. Oh, golly. Look at that. We're going to just with these on the whole time. Well, an ocean is a large expanse of salt water that covers the Earth. The Earth? Well, an ocean is a large expanse of salt water that covers the Earth. So then, what is a sea? Well, a sea is basically a smaller part of the ocean. Look at that. So that's super simple, right? Easy, easy, easy. So now I'm just going to post, what is the ocean? Look at that. It's terrible. It's awful. I love it. Okay, what is the ocean? Ah, sweet, Alex. Yeah, I'm getting your stuff. Ocean acidification. That's a good one. Okay, I'm gonna do so. Acidification. Ocean acidification. Cool. So yeah, the ocean is getting more acidic thanks to carbon dioxide. Basically, the carbon dioxide has a chemical reaction within the water that creates a pH imbalance. So it's minor, like it's super, super small, but of course it's across 71% of the planet. Yeah, it creates carbonic acid. This has downstream effects on corals as well, because, well, everything really, because it's all affected by water pH. If you've ever kept for a saltwater aquarium, or an aquarium in general, you know how important pH is. So when you're applying it to this entire planet, it gets pretty insane. Okay guys, we're doing this again. Also, if you'll notice, I'm representing with a shark shirt. Shibuya. If you have any more suggestions too, like, let me know, because this is completely unscripted. It's all up to you. I need your help to make these videos. Literally suggest any topic. Okay. What is ocean acidification? Well, ocean acidification is the result of an increase in carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Okay, I need to look up the exact thing. I'm gonna draw these out ahead of time. Yeah, if you thought this got, if y'all thought this got any better than last time, then you're just wrong. Like I have the illusion of a fully functioning adult. Okay. I found an unmarked marker, and I don't know if it's permanent or not. I don't trust it, guys. I think this is permanent. Oops. All right. So basically, carbon dioxide and water combine to form carbonic acid. This making our oceans more acidic. Oh, I barely fit that. What is ocean acidification? Well, ocean acidification is the result of an increase in carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. Basically, carbon dioxide and water combine to form carbonic acid, making our oceans more acidic. Look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Wave emojis. Like, oh no, did it stop showing? Did something of mine freeze? What's going on here? There we go. Yeah, so basically, add wave emojis. Instagram, everyone loves emojis. Okay. Did it stop showing it again? Wait, what is going on here? Whoa, that shut down too. What is going on? What? So I think that should fix it. How about we just talk about, like, what is the diversity in the ocean? Like, how much diversity does the ocean hold? I feel like that's a pretty good one. Like, in my heart, I feel that's a pretty solid one. Look at that. So look at this. So we'll start a new video. Why should we conserve the oceans? Well, one, 80% of life on Earth is found in the ocean. 2. The ocean massively regulates the Earth's climate and atmosphere. Third one can just be because it's so freaking cool. Or it could be something kind of funny. Beach days? Beach days? Beach days. Beach days, bruh. No. Third one, does anyone have any ideas? Fun, fun, fun. Fun in the summer. That's terrible. Number 3, without oceans, we wouldn't have the beach. Why should we conserve the ocean? Okay, let's see. Well, 1, should we conserve the oceans? I really like it whenever I'm trying to show you the finished product. And this, I keep trying to show you all the finished product, but the program I'm using, I don't think it's the program actually, I think it's my phone. The connection to this thing isn't too stable. Just like my mental state. Well, 1, 80% of life on Earth is found in the ocean. 2, the ocean massively regulates the Earth's climate and atmosphere. Number 3, without oceans, we wouldn't have the beach. There we go. Spoken by a person who doesn't know what they're talking about. No, I know enough to, well, yeah, again, oceans aren't my strong suit, but that's why we're doing this too, because now I get to learn a little bit more. Guys, we're adding like more waves every single time we post. Look at that, it's back. The box, do you see it? Do you see it? I'm not crazy. I'm seeing a box. Yeah, because corals exist in this really interesting, what would you call it? A symbiotic relationship with algae. So the corals provide, essentially, a place for the algae to live. The algae help provide food for the corals. Food as well as, I want to say they also provide oxygen. But we're not going to get into that. Again, fact check me on that one because that's not... I'm going to call it. So basically... Yeah, we're good. We're done. I messed up the stream. I pulled a website in from my bookmarks bar into the tab. I was trying to select it, causing everything to break because I didn't successfully end the last stream, and now I think my computer is all confused as to where it should be sending information to. Okay, that's fine. So if you want to see more of these 15-second SciComm videos, follow me over on Mammalz, where I will be live streaming this as well as other content. You'll also see all of my videos there first. So, cool. Catch you later.